You know that moment. You walk outside, coffee in hand, ready to relax, and your pool looks like a leaf soup. Yeah, been there. And here's the thing nobody tells you. Most of that mess, it didn't start on the bottom, it started floating, right on the surface, slowly sinking, turning your pool into a full-time chore. So I decided to test something different, not just one robot, not just hype, but 5 of the most talked about robotic pool skimmers in 2026. And I'm not here to waste your time. These are the ones that actually work, and a few that surprised me in ways I didn't expect. Let's start with something completely different. At number 1, Aper Duo, Scuba V3, and Surfer S2. Now this one, boys, this is not your typical one robot does everything setup. This is 2 robots. And at first I thought, okay, this is overkill. But after using it, I kinda get it, so here's how it works. The Scuba V3 goes deep. Floor, walls, waterline, it's doing the heavy cleaning. Meanwhile, the Surfer S2, it never stops moving on the surface, like ever. And that changes everything, because instead of waiting for a cleaning cycle, your pool is being maintained in real time. Leaves don't get a chance to sink. Dust doesn't build up, it just stays clean. The Scuba V3 is honestly the brain here. It learns your pool, size, cleaning history, even weather, and builds its own weekly plan. You don't schedule anything, it just handles it. And when it's cleaning, it's not wandering around like older robots. It actually sees debris and goes after it. You can literally watch it change direction mid-run to pick something up. That part feels weirdly smart. Now, I'll be real, running 2 robots isn't for everyone. It's more gear, more setup. And if you're someone who just wants to drop one thing in and forget about it, this might feel like a bit much. But if you want your pool to basically take care of itself, this is the closest thing I've seen to that. Next at number 2, Betta SE Plus. This one is way simpler, and honestly, that's why people love it. You drop it in your pool, and it just starts working. No app, no complicated setup, no learning curve. And the biggest thing, it's solar powered, but not in a gimmicky way. It actually runs all day and keeps going even when the weather isn't perfect. And if the sun disappears for a while, you can plug it in. That backup option matters more than you think. It just cruises across the surface, quietly pulling in leaves, bugs, pollen, everything that usually annoys you. And it doesn't feel random either. It slows down near walls, turns smoothly, and avoids getting stuck most of the time. Now, is it perfect? Not quite. If your pool pump is super strong, it might occasionally get pulled into the skimmer area and struggle a bit. It usually recovers, but yeah, it happens. Also, it's surface only. It's not pretending to do everything, so you'll still need something for the floor, but for what it does, it's one of the easiest, most reliable, set it and forget it skimmers you can get. At number 3, Betta SE. This is kind of like the stripped-down version of the SE Plus, but in a good way. If you don't care about extras, this one just nails the basics. Fully solar, no cables, no charging routine. You literally toss it in the pool and walk away, and it doesn't stop. Day, night, cloudy weather, it just keeps moving. That alone solves one of the biggest problems with most cordless cleaners, the constant charging. The cleaning itself is surprisingly solid. It doesn't rush, it just slowly cruises and collects everything before it sinks. And that's the key, prevention. Instead of cleaning your pool, it stops your pool from getting dirty in the first place. Now, it's not fancy. No app, no advanced controls, no remote steering. And if your pool is very small or round, it can sometimes get into repetitive patterns. But honestly, that simplicity is why it works so well. It's one of those products you forget you even own because it's always doing its job. Coming up at number 4, Betaflex. Okay, this one is interesting because on paper it sounds like an upgrade. It's lighter, faster, sleeker, and yeah, it definitely moves quicker across the water. You'll notice that immediately. It also works really well in tricky pools on like infinity edges, which most skimmers struggle with. But here's where things get a little mixed. It's fully solar, but that also means no backup charging. So if you get a stretch of cloudy days, you're kind of just waiting. And they removed some things people actually liked, no remote, no app, no battery indicator. So sometimes you're just guessing. That said, when it's running, it cleans really well. It's smooth, smart enough to navigate, and handles debris without issues. It just feels like a product that focused more on simplicity and speed, but gave up a bit too much control along the way. If you want something super lightweight and fast, you'll like it. If you want more control and features, you might miss the older models. Finally, at number 5, Supclean 24/7 Solar Skimmer. Now this one feels like the budget-friendly wildcard, but don't underestimate it. It runs fully on solar and is designed to stay in your pool 24/7, and it actually lives up to that. It just keeps going, collecting debris all day, every day. The basket is bigger than you'd expect, so you're not constantly emptying it. And it handles leaves, dust, even smaller particles pretty well. It also has app control, which is nice at this price point. You can guide it, adjust settings, check on it, things you don't usually get here. But it's not as refined. Navigation is decent, not amazing. It avoids obstacles, but sometimes feels a bit less smart compared to higher-end models. Still, for something that runs non-stop, costs less, and basically eliminates manual skimming, it's hard to complain. So here's the real question. Do you want one robot trying to do everything, or a system that actually keeps your pool clean all the time? Because after testing all 5, the biggest difference wasn't power, it was consistency. The ones that keep working all day, every day, are the ones that actually change how your pool feels. No more morning cleanup, no more chasing leaves, no more, I'll clean it later. It's just done. So now I'm curious, would you go with a simple solar skimmer that runs forever, or something like the Aper Duo, where 2 robots handle everything together? Let me know what you'd pick, and if you made it this far, you already know your pool deserves better than a net.